poorly folder in hand. Here she is. Shauna, you're so excited you forgot your shoesies. Where are they?
Right there.
Where are they? Well, don't bother, yes. Yeah. Did you take them off or did they fall off?
They fell off.
They probably shook off, didn't they? Yeah. Now listen, Shauna, I want to call to your attention a can of potato salad here. You see that can of potato salad? Would you believe that that could help you win that? A handsome set of luggage. From Crown, a fashionable lightweight set of luggage from the Regal Collection. Style and durable acrylic twist. Each piece designed to fulfill specific traveling needs by Crown Luggage. Now, you win that, and of course this is the Golden Road. You win that, and we'll go on down the Golden Road. Where? Right over here and try to win this. A half-scale replica of a 1932 Ford. The little street rod half-scale replica of Henry's Immortal 32 with 8-horsepower engine and reduction drive system. Speed up to 15, 18 miles per hour. The whole family will enjoy cruising in this little street rod. Now, at the end of the Golden Road, and that's where you'll head if you win that, at the end of the Golden Road, we have one spiffy prize. Do you have any idea how much I have in mind? Not $5,000, not $10,000, not $15,000, not $20,000. A prize? You're joining me now, huh? Yeah. A prize that's worth more than $24,000. Look. I know. This 19-foot self-contained mobile travel motorhome sleeps more comfortably. Equipped with stove, refrigerator, shower, toilet, rack and ladder, all the other standards. Unit built on a forward chassis with these options. AM/FM radio with CB, cruise control, dashboard repair, and monitored power.